This is Lubuntu, a Linux distribution that's based on Ubuntu. It's available in 3 versions. I'm using version 26.04 LTS for this video, which is the latest release. These are the virtual machine specs. Lubuntu is a smaller, lighter, and less demanding version of Ubuntu that comes with LXQt desktop environment instead of GNOME, making it able to run on much lower specs comparing to the regular Ubuntu while keeping the same hardware and software support. Once it boots up, you'll have the option to try it live or install it. Installing Lubuntu is very simplified and user-friendly. You have to choose your language preferences, install type, set up partitions, username, and that's it. This isn't a small operating system size-wise. It'll take some time to install. Once it finishes installing, click on Done, remove the install media when it prompts to, and then hit Enter to reboot. Now it should boot straight to the desktop. Lubuntu uses around 900 megabytes of RAM on idle and around 9 gigabytes of disk space for the normal installation option. It'll take up more or less space according to the selected install type. These are the pre-installed apps that come with Lubuntu. You can use Discover to update or install more software. If it cannot load the app library the first time you use it, reboot or install available updates, and then open Discover again. There's a variety of apps and tools, etc., just like on the regular Ubuntu. Desktop environment and the window manager are very customizable. It comes with different wallpapers, preset themes, icons, fonts, and mouse cursors. The pre-installed web browser is Firefox, very common on Linux distros. A very recent version as well. It can be updated to the latest version using Discover that I showed earlier. Here's YouTube. I'll also show its resource usage when playing a video. Now it uses around 1.4 gigabytes of RAM. That's pretty much it for Lubuntu.